A1065 here, and today here's another repair. Here we have ArbitersHonor's Joebot. I'm pretty sure a lot of you haven't heard that name in a very long time. So for any of you wondering, Arbiter's Honor is another YouTuber, also a friend of mine within the robot community, who I've been friends with for like many years, along with Joebing videos and Project Nova Zero. So he had bought two Joebots sometime last month, I believe, and one is actually going to Ivan, but it's going to be parted out because he has one that's really messed up. So I'm just sending him the shells on the board. But in return, I fixed this Joebot for him. And pretty much this is probably going to be the first Joebot of its kind that I know of to have small LED modifications, which is pretty neat. So this is going to be fun. So let me start him up so you can see what's wrong with him. So as you can tell, he sounds really weird from the speaker, and his arm doesn't move. So it's like he's really quiet. I don't know if that's the speaker or something, so I'm gonna have to try and replace that speaker and see what he does. And of course, both arm motor shaft gears are split. The one here is like just doesn't work. So you can see it's like loose. And with this arm, you can rotate it, and it doesn't really snap into place for some reason. But here, let me show you. Alright, so he's not really going to do anything due to the fact that his arm, he just freezes up because of the arm. Watch. Whatever is wrong with his sound, really hopefully I can fix that. Because I've never heard a Joebot be that quiet. Robot! Robot! Forward! Gosh dang it. Anyways. Yeah, and one of his legs sounds really weird. So I'm going to have to go through all this and see what's going on. So stay tuned for more. So after this Joebot, I'll be working on a silver one. And after that silver Joebot, I'm going to be working on a silver V2 that belongs to another client. So stay tuned for all that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.